welcome to my channel. My name is Piet. You're watching Piet J. Cooper, the model builder, and we're going on with the Lancia Stratos. We've got a few parts, and part 42 is a copy of something we've already done, and 33, 43 and 44 are quick ones. So this is a quick one. I'm going to be very slow doing this now. I'm just going to do it, and we'll see how it works. And there we go. We'll see how it works, and I've got the magazines out, so let's start straight away and do this build. So we've got, if you remember from last stage, this one needs to be put in with a flanged, I think SM screw, DM screw, but RP, but it had a nagging sensation to come out, so nagging, irritating thing that it was coming out, so I immediately made sure that I glued it. Yes, it was an RP, like that. Then that goes over it. And APs go in that. Yeah, it's in like so. You remember, I hope you remembered it. Well, let's do it this one. Like so. It's neatly in there. Then we're going to push this one on. Like so. And then we've got just the two of them. We've put that on as well, and now we're going to put the whole thing on the car. And this side, you've seen the box go on. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Bear with me a moment, and I'll show you how it should work. We'll try it. Let's put them together and see if they're long enough. Otherwise, I'll find a hose somewhere that is a little bit longer, and I'll use that, because I've got a few here. There we go. That works. Okay, that works superb. Yep. Okay, let's do it this way. All these pieces of hose can be used in a different stage somewhere. Yeah, I've got it right. Oh wow, I'm happy with that. AM screws we are using, but we don't need 3, we only need 2. So we've got 2 AM screws right here, and we're going to put that tank on. I think with that, this stage is done. No, it's not. But I don't think. Oh, we do have a few loose hoses. That one and that one there, and the big ones. So, no, not completely through. So we're putting that plate on this position here, which cleans that up a bit. And that is that little tank in, and all the hoses, or the hose is connected, and it's loose. I was afraid of that. I will connect it after this. No, I can do it now. Loosen this one up and put a bit of glue on that other little thing. So that is this stage done. I had to re-glue that hose again. They came all the way from the other side, but it's all right. It's all right. And I need to re-glue those because the screw is so tight. Glue, sorry. Repaint those. The screw is so tight that to this that it hurts that piece of the thing. So stage 43 is the battery pack, and I've put batteries there in there already, and putting the cover over it, and that's all we do with it. We do not put it in the car, on the car, or test it or whatever. So we're going straight to 44 after that one, which is a fun one. Because we're making the remote control, and I have not got the battery pack, a battery yet, because we're not using it. So fun is, we're going to put it in like so, pushing it in. So that one's on, those buttons are on. We're putting it on like so. We've got a lot more buttons there, but we're not using all of them. And we're gonna put that over it. This is the slot where the battery goes in. And those are, it's a bit loose, or it feels loose. And that is, then we shove that battery in there, and we can unlock it by, well, there you go. It pushes in like so. That's funny. I see a different brand name on this thing. On the back it says IXO model. So this might be a model that's made by from an IXO model factory. Well, there we go. That stage done as well, and we've done all stages of this last pack. We've got the remote control, the battery pack, and the car, of course, rolling chassis, we can say at the moment. But that's all I have at the moment. I haven't got any more packs in from Centauria, Centauria, but apparently, as shown on the box, the remote control, which is a bit shaky and loose, it's a model from IXO. So beautiful build there. But with that, I want to say thank you very much for joining me again, and thank you especially you who is still here and watching this. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and join me next time for any of my builds that I do. This one, may it be the fire truck that you see behind on that side, or the Porsche, or the Kit, or the Countach, or what's completely blown, the Lamborghini Miura. So I've got quite a few beautiful builds, and of course we've got the Volco Millennium there as well. Thank you very much again. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and then do join me next time on any of my builds. Saying thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.